You're watching Hot Walk Academy. My name is Mingjin Tong. Today, we're making 西瓜汁 watermelon juice, but it's a different one than the other watermelon juice video. So watch both. Let us know which one you prefer. Let's cook. Okay, so today we're just starting with a seedless watermelon. I've already cut it in half, taken the rind off, and we're just gonna cut this up, no big deal here. Let me go ahead and just slice this. When I'm doing fruit, I really like to have a long slicing blade so that I can reach all the way across my fruit. So try that out, it's just a little bit easier. And just gonna rough cut the watermelon. Now in Taiwan, they don't have, at least I don't see it, but they don't really do seedless watermelon. They do a lot of seeded watermelon, and the seeds tend to just become part of the texture of the juice. So today I'm still gonna use seedless watermelon, but maybe you could try it and let us know what you think. Having a watermelon juice that's unfiltered and kind of the grit of the seed as a texture. So our other ingredients that we would find normally doing watermelon juice in Taiwan would just be sweetener, ice, watermelon, and that's pretty much it. However, since we're here in the US and we've got all these wonderful ingredients, two additions that I found that I really love is lime juice in my watermelon juice, as well as some fresh mint. So we're gonna put some fresh mint leaves in, and this is a way to kind of just change the recipe a little bit. I think it's really delicious. So on a hot summer day, this drink is so refreshing. Hope you really love it. Let me go ahead and just get all this watermelon in. This is gonna be a very full pitcher. From here, my ice, just to cool it down a little bit. Let's go ahead and get our sweetener. Today I'm using agave as the sweetener. And as with any food you're making, just a pinch of salt goes a really long way. Maybe just a touch more. Don't want it to be salty. I do want to draw out a lot of the flavors. And then for my lime, I'm gonna go ahead and use a reamer. I wanna get not just the juice, but I wanna get all that pulp out of my lime. Look how juicy that is. All that pulp is gonna go into here. And you can decide how much. I'm just gonna do the juice. You know what? I'm actually gonna do a little bit more because I feel like it. So I'm gonna do another half lime. Give that a press, a roll to break up all the cells that are in there. It'll be super juicy. When you pick your lime, I like picking the limes that have a really tight skin, small pores. They tend to be just a lot juicier. So let's go ahead and get that in there. Look at that. Look at how much juice that is. Fantastic. All right, let's get all that lime juice in. Just because I've got a very full pitcher. All right, I don't want to overdo it. Let's go ahead. Actually, you know what? Let's do all the lime. Make it limey. Kind of a limey juice. All right, here we go. Okay, and for the last piece, like I said, some fresh mint leaves right in there. Now, mint can be pretty strong, so depending on how much you like it, you want to add, you know, just however much you think. So it is all going to be blended up. There's not going to be any leaf texture, and in order to make sure that that's true, you want to get a high-powered blender and kind of blend it extra long because you want to break up all of those mint leaves. All right, so that's all the ingredients. Let's get that going on the blender. All right, that was a little less than a minute. And if you want, again, you could blend it longer to let it really incorporate and make sure all the mint leaf is broken up. But we're gonna go ahead and try it this way. There might be a little bit of texture left, but I'm sure it'll be fine. All right, here is our watermelon juice. Let's try it. Oh man, so refreshing. Have a great summer. Make this, share it with friends. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.